How's it going, guys? I would like to tell you about a website called EarnFM. It is basically a program that you download for your computer. I have it on the Windows laptop. Your internet connection becomes a valuable asset for you to generate value. You have the opportunity to make money by sharing your internet. Sign up and start making money. So you can make money. You can use the code here, welcome3, for an extra $3. And basically you keep it running in the background while you're connecting it and you make money. Yeah, so basically that's what you do. Estimates of your earning, number of networks. One network, you share 2 gigabytes in, if you share more, 10 gigabytes in 1 month, 20 gigabytes in 1 month. So the amount you earn is directly linked to the volume of traffic you share with your EarnFM. Sharing more traffic leads to higher earnings. So if you have one network, one computer, you're sharing 20 gigabytes in 1 month, you have 120. You make 120. Or you make 10 gigabytes, you make $60. Or you share just 2 gigabytes, you make $12. Yeah. Download it for Windows. And welcome bonus 3. That's about it. I also have it for iPhone, my iPhone 8. So it also works on the iPhone. Thank you. Bye.